I'm still stalking you. Just so you know. Oh, and if you guys don't know who I'm stalking, watch my other videos. They're important. So, today's been a long day. Well, not really. Ugh, loser signed off. I'm gonna kill him. Oh, if you don't, you have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Brandon. He signed off with AIM. It was on AIM. And I was talking to him and he signed off. He was like, oh, that's nice. I gotta go. XOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXO. And by the way, I'm saying XO, like what I do when I sign things, like hugs and kisses. And he was like, bye, and then he signed off before I could even say bye, and I was like, bitch. So now I gotta like stab him. So, the real reason I made this video was because I love fun words, like words nobody ever uses anymore, like nifty. I mean, how many times have you guys heard the word nifty in your life? If you're younger than 17. Because I hate people who are like, I've heard that, and they're like 40. And you're like, what? Of course you've heard that. You probably invented it. Okay. Like nifty, neato, bumtastic is a good word. And there's a song, I forgot what it's called. I think it's actually called Bumtastic. It's pretty good. YouTube.com. I'm gonna put on Bumtastic, and I'm gonna be like, jam to that. Oh, yay! Oh, he made that 14 hours ago. Not the kid I'm stalking, another kid. He's really cool too. You guys should totally check him out. The Joke's on You. Joke's spelled with a Z, not an S. No spaces. Spelled correctly. He's really cool. I'm like tagging people, kind of, haven't I? Tag it! Okay. Bombtastic. I don't spell my whole words. Is it by Shaggy or Mr. Bean? I think it's by Shaggy. I think this is the video. Okay, so I'm gonna listen to some jam bomb music.
We order some bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover.
I listen to everything, by the way, because I'm Nikki and Rad and Stellar.
I'm Mr. Lover, girl. Mr. Lover.
I actually first heard this song with my beautiful Becca. She doesn't cost her. Oh, by the way, my super awesome Harley Quinn's alter ego is amazing, and you guys should love it and watch my other videos. Yeah. So this is just a kitty catastrophe video. I'm thinking of changing my name to either Nikki Nightmare or Katie Chaos. It'd be easier. Like, spell, I mean. I spelled catastrophe wrong. Because I'm annoying. This song is annoying. Why do people like this? So I love hearing from you guys. So tell me what you like and what you don't like. Make it amazing. And give me song ideas. Because I like listening to music. This song is annoying. Hold on. I'm gonna listen to the Friday Night Boys. Oh, look them up on MySpace. They're the hottest band ever. I'm gonna listen to That's What She Said. It's by the Friday Night Boys. It's really good. And they're gorgeous.
Let's go out. I wonder if she'll just let this go now. Just lock the door and fall back down. got you and swear she's true. What we're moving